Good noon, students. We have already discussed about the Europe and Africa. Now, in today, we discuss about the Australia. Okay, the political and physical division of Australia. First, we know about the continent of Australia. Australia is the smallest continent, comprises of the old and deeply weathered island of Australia. Okay, Australia is the smallest continent of the world. We know that the largest continent, the Asia, and the second largest, already we read about that is Africa, and Australia is the smallest. Okay, the green gem like island of Tasmania and numerous small island. Okay, now we discuss the area of Australia. What is the area of Australia? The area of Australia is 7.69 million square kilometer, which is nearly double area of India and Pakistan combined. If we combine India and Australia, and its double is the Australia's total continent. The area is 7.69 million square kilometer. Thus, the Australia is the smallest continent of the world. Now we discuss about the location of the Australia. Location means its latitude, its longitude, extension, and its north-south position, which is situated, that is, the north to south Australia stretches from 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south latitude. From 10 degrees south to 44 degrees south latitude is the extension of Australia, and from west to east extension is 113 degree east to 154 degree east. Okay. And it entirely situated to the southern hemisphere. Okay, the total continent Australia entirely situated to the southern hemisphere, because the equator passed through the middle portion of the middle portion, and its northern portion is called northern hemisphere, and also the southern portion is called the southern hemisphere. In Africa, we see that the equator, the Tropic of Cancer, and the Tropic of Capricorn pass through this land or continent from Africa, through Africa, but only Tropic of Capricorn pass through the Australia. Okay, because as the Australia is situated on the southern hemisphere. Australia is therefore an apt name for continent, and it is derived from the Latin word from southern hemisphere, australis. The name Australia derived from the word australis. Okay, and the Tropic of Capricorn passed through this continent almost in half. Means the Tropic of Cancer passed through the Australia, middle portion of the Australia. Okay, the Indian Ocean lies to the west of Australia. Now we discuss about the Australia's in north, south, east, west, which is situated. The Indian Ocean situated to the west of the Australia, and the Southern Ocean to the south, and the Pacific Ocean situated eastern portion of the Australia. Okay. Now we discuss about Australia's neighbor portion. Asia lies to the northwest of Australia. Okay, Asia, the continent, lies to the northwest of Australia, and it is the continent nearer to the Australia. Australia's nearer continent is Asia, and it is situated to the northwest of Australia. The island of Timor is just 720 kilometer from Darwin. Okay, 720 kilometer from Darwin. To the west of Australia, nearly 8,000 kilometer across the Indian Ocean lies Africa, and 3,200 kilometer to the south lies by the shores of Australia. Okay. The countries that neighbors Australia is Papua New Guinea. Some countries are situated nearer to the Australia, that is Papua New Guinea, Indonesia, East Timor to the north, the Solomon Island and the Vanuatu to the northwest, and New Zealand to the southeast. Okay, and also situated New Zealand to the southeast. Okay, we continue our discussion. Now we discuss about the political division or political division of Australia. Okay, today the Commonwealth of the Australia has 6 states. The Commonwealth of Australia has 6 states and 2 territories. Okay, Australia is a federation. Australia is a federation. This means it has 2 sets of government. It has 2 sets of government, one for each of the states and other for centers. Okay, like India. Because in India, in every state there is a government and also there is a central government. So this is called the federation. Australia is like a federation. Okay. Now we discuss some states capital. The name of the states: New South Wales, the capital is Sydney. The Victoria is Melbourne. Queensland, the Brisbane. South Australia, Adelaide. The Western Australia is Perth. The Tasmania is Hobart. The Australian Capital Territory is Canberra, also the capital of Australia. Okay. The Northern Territory is Darwin, and the capital of Australia is the Canberra. Canberra is the capital of Australia. Now we discuss some physical features about Australia. Australia is one of the lowest and flattest of the continents. Is the lowest and flattest of the continents. It has no high mountain range like Himalayas, Alps, and deep valleys like Brahmaputra or large river like Amazon. Okay, it has no high mountain like the Himalaya, Alps, and the deep large river like Brahmaputra or the Amazon. Its highest peak is Mount Kosciuszko. Okay, lies just 2,228 meter above sea level. Mount Kosciuszko is the highest peak of Australia, that is the 2,228 meter above sea level. The coastline is smooth with almost no inlet except in the south. Okay, thus Australia has very few good harbors also. Okay, today's discussion stop here, and good noon students.